homeownership provides so much security and stability, and it's something that is attainable. It's something that you can plan towards and work towards. Once you get to that point of being able to be a homeowner, it really opens up a world of security for yourself and also generations to come.
If you already started thinking of that big purchase of buying your home, or you're dreaming about it already, just get informed. It won't cost you anything to ask.
One of the 8-hour workshops because it covers a lot of topics from insurance to credit, how to budget, the lending process, purchasing title insurance. They make a lot of better decisions.
With all the different types of resources that are out there now, through different levels of mortgages and different kind of opportunities, that bank and other financial institutions offer, they really do make the American dream more affordable for people.
Offering a greater array of product, it loses the misconception that I'm not eligible for financing. I heard that I can't obtain financing. We show them that there are other means and ways to obtain financing.
Just keep in mind that your property taxes will reset to the market value once there's a new homeowner. The first year, you're going to inherit the previous owner's tax bill, whatever if they had exemptions, whatever they were being taxed at. The second year, it will reset to the market value.
Know where you stand in your credit. Know where you stand in your finances. And if you don't understand how to understand what your picture looks like, seek the free help of maybe a home buying counselor who can sit down and draw that picture up for you.
Consolidated Credit providing educational opportunities and events like these that people can come out and get additional information and know what's available to them. The customer can come and meet the professionals that can help them.
Well, there's no question that the credit piece of the financing transaction is critical and crucial into what somebody's going to obtain. And if you guys are in a position to help coach and counsel them on what it takes to have the greatest possible credit outcome, surely they're going to be given the greatest opportunity in lending products as well.
These first-time homebuyer events, I highly recommend. Then at least you will go from A to Z, where you learn about everything and you're not like shocked at the end of the day.